Cake deep, endless miles I meet. Sunburn, heat, sweat dried on my seat. Hands rougher than the last bottle crack. Drive slow, kicking gravel, no looking back. Small town shouts, big mouth, can't quit. Grew up pissed off, fence posts I split. Paper thin look, rusty old Chevy got grit. Heart broke, patched up, never getting lit. See him over there, leaning against the barn. Talk that talk, never did me no harm. Saw her walk off, stringing words like yarn. Friday forgot, just counting these scars. Pick up, red dirt whip, hush those lies. Tough as hell, feel it buried in my eyes. Sweat on my boots, truth in disguise. Bitter till sunset, harder to rise. Slide guitar sings, trap snare breaks. What? Yeah, race for bruises, hell been cruising, outlaw shoes. Smoke swirl, bonfire fuel, what you gonna choose? Out here we moving, cold beers, no rules. Knuckles bruising, true spill, shit to lose. Knotted rope souls, mud-stained dreams, radio scream, hating they beams. Friday wild eyes, boot scuff jeans, rolling in trouble, fuck what it means. Trucks, line fences, spit verses for spite. Riding shotgun, moon creeping the night. Freedom ain't pretty, country ain't polite. We crown, we shout, live loud, we fight. Grew up watching, never crack, never blink. Snapbacks turning, pride spills when I drink. City boys quick, with the cash in the bank. But dust stains deeper than they ever think. Heroes heavy, fists hit the dash. Never fell under, didn't burn, didn't flash. Pick your poison, choose your path. Kick dirt while flip off the past. Race for bruises, hell been cruising, outlaw shoes. Smoke swirl, bonfire fuel, what you gonna choose? Out here we moving, cold beers, no rules. Knuckles bruising, true spill, shit to lose. Last line never break, bruise a show. Bruise, 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 echo slow. Bruise, bruise. Kicks up from these gravel roads, where I learned to hustle, learn the codes. Small town raised me, but I ain't small. Watch me rise, fuck it, watch me crawl. On where the pavement ends, concrete dreams begin. Mama's prayers mixed with daddy's sin. Work these fields with callous hands, but my mind's plotting bigger plans. Every sunrise brings a grind. Leave the past, but not behind. Bourbon nights and bootstrap days, fight through this rural haze. It's the dirt beneath my nails, but ambition never fails. Small town gossip, trading whiskey for my soul. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city lights. Country heart where the hustle's mine. Yeah, that's my life. From the backwoods to the front lines, fuck what they say, this shit is mine. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city lights. Pickup trucks and midnight schemes, American dreams. Friday nights at the local bar, now I'm aiming for the stars. Boots stay dirty, conscience clean, living life between between the scenes. Cornfield wisdom, street smart flows. That's a Yomi with div house shoes. Never forget where I came from, but I ain't finished, ain't near done. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in this lights. Country heart with a hustler's mind, yeah, that's my life. From the backwoods to the front lines, fuck what they say, this shit is mine. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city light. They said I'd never make it out. Now they asking what I'm about. Same dirt roads that held me down, now they lift me off the ground. Country pride with urban dreams, nothing's ever what it seems. Stone dirt roads, but I shine in the city lights. Country heart with a hustler's mind, yeah, that's my life. From the backwoods to the front lines, fuck what they say, this shit is mine. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine in the city light. Dust kicks up from these gravel roads where I learned to hustle, learn the coast. Raised on dirt roads, but I shine. This country heart will always shine. Banjo pluck, slow 808 kick. Whistle ghosting over boots and grit. That sun dropping low, yeah, hum it quiet. Small town never sleeps, folks talking cheap. Gravel in my jeans, shovel in heat. Truck bed winning, hope in my hand. Sweat, spit, tears, just do what I can. Heart lost something, left at that bar. Girl walked out, slam that car. Rhymes in the dust, no gold here. Hustle repeat every damn year. Slanging 8 to 5, running wild. Blueprint trail, kid going mild. Don't ask why, don't ask how. Just roll with the dirt, I'm good for now. Slide guitar sings, snare rolls tight. Grin cuffed up, really by night. Raised on dirt roads, never lost my fight. Raised on dirt roads, never lost my fight. Throw my voice with pride, bonfire light. Raised on dirt roads, never lost my fight. Punchline, now spit it, twist it quick. Friday on my mind, big country lit. Truck tie spin, boots scuffing fast. Hand on my chest, got friends, got laughs. Freedom in the grit, shoulder lean back. Flag on the dash, blaze out the track. Talking smack, hack, crooked. Fade snap, so country, so raw, so full of that. Yeah, swagger on repeat, old school heat. Swagger on repeat, old school heat. Keep it moving, boost on to the beat. Keep it moving, boost on to the beat. Raised on dirt roads, never lost my fight. Raised on dirt roads, never lost my fight. For my voice with pride, bonfire light. Raised on dirt roads, never lost my fight. Guitar fades out, 808 slowing down. Said it once, say it twice, boots still on this ground. Said it once, say it twice, boots still on this ground. Banjo plucking, boots kicking in dust. Quiet hum floating where the road splits up. 808s rolling under whispering strings. Hat brim low, wind steady, waiting on a swing. You ever drive so far, the road just folds and vanishes? Every mailbox leaning, grinning crooked in the sun. I got sweat in my veins, grass stains on my language, soft in my laughter, heavy in the tongue. Mornings break easy, wide, unhurried and plain. A promise or two gets lost in the grain. Heart running south, memory over my shoulder. Loose gravel running wild, a little older. Bare hands on the wheel, knuckles wide in the shade. Music from the dash, soft as lemonade. You ask if these highways hold secrets from me. I answer in glances, mud on my jeans. Raised up, rough tracks, still chasing open lane. Raised up, rough tracks, still chasing open lane. Friday rolls up, boots thump in the drive. Smiles dressed reckless, my pulse feels alive. Tailgate with laughter, your eyes spark with mine. Dust settles gentle, we draw our own line. Long roads behind, but it's miles that I borrow. Freedom tastes sharp, sweet and narrow. That old truck groans, swagger and steel. Hat tips in trouble, never learn how to kneel. Fences blur quick, sky lays out blue. Friday night swagger, I'm lean with you. Bonfire calling, voices holler my name. I'm reckless for you, chasing the flame. Easy, yeah. Wheel turn slow, promise in the mist. Hand to hand, another sunset twist. Raised up, rough tracks, still chasing open lanes. Raised up, rough tracks, still chasing open lanes. Chasing open lanes. Still chasing open lanes. Still chasing open lanes. Stomp out the dust, foot's caked in a shit that won't wash. 808 thumps in your chest. Midnight winding down slow. Guitar hums thick as the air. No fluff for today. Riding side out with your past, watching memories fade. Sunburnt by 4, cussing at the fence that you fixed last week. Spent all damn summer sweating up, jazz running on E. Your girl slammed the door, her words broke the paint. Bottle hit the porch, left a scar in the grain. Neighbors all know your secret thuds and the shout. Small towns got a mouth, rumors running its route. Friday's too far, bills piling by the fridge, but you wade knee deep in the trouble you dig. Boot heel scrape, anger and pride bleed. Raised in the thick dirt, stains on your jeans. Smell of smoking cheap whiskey, chasing what it means. You laugh in the wreckage, swear at the sun. Mud on your boots, but you never gon' run. Dust in your lungs, curse loud at the sky. Hell if you leave, hell if you try. Mud on your boots, but you're never gonna run. You toss that cap in the back's tires, choke on the rocks. Friday night house, packs of bastards raised off the block. Blue stomp your name in the ground, never learning shit. Hick town pride with a hip-hop spit. Smoke rises up over the fields, middle finger for luck. Staring at the stars, swerving sober, gritting the truck. You drag scars from fights, knuckle split, teeth bare. Freedom's a bitch, but you're damned if you're scared. Raised in the thick dirt, stains on your jeans, smell of smoking cheap whiskey, chasing what it means to laugh in the wreckage, swear at the sun, blood on your boots, but you're never gonna run. Dust in your lungs, curse loud at the sky. Hell if you leave, hell if you try. Blood on your boots, but you're never gonna run. So fade, 808, hard boot, slap what's left. Repeat that last line while the smoke drifts west. Blood on your boots, but you're never gonna run. So say yeah when you hard do sound it come to live. It been last night. You know all the news me, you're never gonna run. Moon low over main, boots in the red dirt. Old truck got a lens, slow tail lights and sweatshirts. Sage on the breeze, county lines my fence. Stomping these roofs, let the beat commence. Raised off gravel, knuckles hard, sunburned neck. Weed choke, ditches, pocket knives, don't you forget. Mama whistling, supper calls cut through dust scare. Grand road sign covered in mud, hope somewhere out there. Hat tip, Sunday phase of blue jean dust. Laugh in the wind, but the work still must. Hammer on tired palms, patch that gate. Learning to lose quick, then double up the stakes. Back porch, poker stories, sticking sweet tea. Old scars, new calluses, this town's in me. Dirt in my veins, asphalt outside my reach. Still swinging from the pine limb, summers I can't teach. Past these cornfields, nights alive with thunder. Chevy growls on the moon, you can't hold me under. Bonfire in my eyes, every mile's its own song. Raised by the red dust, backbone too strong. Friday lights on the ridge, beer cans in the grass, boot heel cutting loose, let the worst pass. Plates piled high at the grill, smoke twirl, slow draw. Every friend's a brother, heard my trouble, took the call. 12-point bucktails, ball fights and pride. RV park sideways, barely made it inside. Freedom's more than the word I pass, stay Route 9. His hands on the wheel, sunrise spilling fire. White on the dash, sticker fading with the day. Rebel flags nowhere, the spirit on display. Swagger in the stride, boots muddy with hope. Let the big sky keep watch while I widen this road. Past these cornfields, nights alive with thunder. Chevy growls on the moon, you can't hold me under. Bonfire in my eyes, every mile's its own song. Raised by the red dust, backbone too strong. Yeah. Bonfire phase laugh, it rides in the dust drift. Red dirt in my soul and I love how it sticks. Backbone too strong. traffic signs, and hang print, blue shirts, sweat lines, mountain air hint, market carts, fried rice, roadside tea, mama's call, boo scuff, city chasing me. Paycheck and warm budget on the edge, crack highways, young laughs under neon wedge, shoulder dust dreaming about that Han River view. Friday fades in, faded denim over true, mixing rice fields, rooftop bars after fire, late busters, big talk, feeling so alive. Not just a back road kid, souls burning in my chest, dust off my badge, but I earned this rest. Raised up, roll, now I roll so midnight. Two-step swagger, these boots kick stairs all night. Ash from bonfires in my old ball cap. Skyline headlights, never turning back. Never turning back. Sticky rice, silver truck, gravel hit the fender. Ready clay, ink stains, memories a slow sender. Cold brew, convenience, late shift, cash in pocket. Free under skies, ticking off miles like a rocket. Leather seats, crack, country scent in my jeans. Playlist bumping, laugh track between the seams. Dash lit up, window down, yelling to the blue. East River glimmers, skyline breaks through. I'm a mix-up culture, blended straw hat, snapback, handball hanging next to my leather track jack. Bonfire, smoke city, rattle freedom every night. Boot heel, drum and soul and country both feel right. Raised up rural, now I roll so midnight. Two-step swagger, these boots catch stairs all night. Ash from bonfires in my old ball cap. Skyline headlights, never turning back. Never turning back. Never turning back. Never turning back. Started with nothing but dirt under my nails. Now I got something they can't buy in their tails. Gravel roads taught me patience and grit. Sunday church closed, Monday work shit. Daddy's old hand showed me sweat pays the bills. Mama's sweet voice said, son, chase what fulfills. Backyard mechanic, fixing what's broke. Small town whispers call me a joke, but I kept building piece by fucking piece. Found my own path, found my own peace. I'm dirt rich, can't buy what I got in my soul. I'm dirt rich, worth more than your bank account roll. From the ground up, that's how real ones are made. I'm dirt rich, and that shit will never fade. Ground up, ground from the dirt, from the hurt. Ground up, know my fucking worth. Now here's the twist. Money can't measure what builds a man's treasure. While y'all chase papers, I'm chasing what matters. Blood, sweat, and tears built these damn years. Your wealth disappears, mine grows with my fears. Conquer, not broken, words that I've spoken. Trust that I've earned, bridges I've burned. Lessons in mud, thicker than blood. This heart that I carry, more precious than jewelry. I'm dirt rich, can't buy what I got in my soul. I'm dirt rich, worth more than your bank account roll. From the ground up, that's how real ones are made. I'm dirt rich, and that shit will never fade. Started with dirt under my nails, still got dirt under my nails, and now I know what that shit entails. Yeah, and now I know what that shit entails. Yeah, dust on my hands, dust on my hands. Feel it in my soul, feel it in my soul. Dirt beneath my fingernails, grind within my skin. Been digging deep and digging deep, where do I begin? Hands that hold the weight of earth, hands that know the pain. Feel it rise through the sun and rain. Dust to dust, that's what they say. Dust is where we start, but I feel more burning in my heart. Rough and raw, these callous palms, rough and raw they stay. Feel it build in the light of day. Feel it now. Feel it, show me how. My hands but shine in the light. Dust on my hands but shine so bright. Feel it in my bones, feel it in my veins. Dust on my hands but I break these chains. Dust on my hands but shine in the light. Dust on my hands but I shine so bright. Feel it rise up, feel it take flight. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Gravel in my boots, gravel in my way, but I press on every single day. Hands that built this life up, hands that won't back down. Feel the power spread across this town. Dirt road made me, dirt road shaped my soul, but I rise up, playing a different role. Touch of earth upon my skin, touch that makes me real. Feel it float, everything I feel, skill it I feel, skill it I. Hands but I shine in the light. Dust on my hands but I shine so bright. Feel it in my bones, feel it in my veins. Dust on my hands but I break these chains. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Dust on my hands but I shine so bright. Feel it rise up, feel it take flight. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Away what made me who I am. Feel it in my touch, feeling when I stand. Dust on my hands, feel it in my soul, you'll understand. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light, yeah. Dust on my hands but I shine so bright, Feel it in my bones, feel it in my veins. Dust on my hands but I break these chains. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Dust on my hands but I shine so bright. Feel it rise up, feel it take flight. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Dust on my hands, feel it in my soul, feel it in my soul. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Dust on my hands but I shine in the light. Let the engine hum, dust hanging in the air. Boot heel on the pedal, last sun in my stare. Slide the glass down, hear the night run wide. Not a soul on the line except you by my side. Rolling slow, fields, flash, fence posts and rows. Talking about the weather, but I'm hiding what I know. Every mile I rewind, see that faded stove sign. You laugh, say you get it, but you don't feel the grind. Nights too long, days too mean, hard luck in between. Never said I'm perfect, but I'm tougher than I seem. Listen close, my voice cracks like gravel roads. Kept my prayers in my pocket, kept my word on my own. Mercurial. Roll on, can't stop the wheels, can't stop the fight. Hold on. Raised on red clay, ride with the moon so bright. Chasing miles, I ain't stopping at no red light. Big sky, old truck, ain't nothing breaks my stride. You call me stubborn, but I'm running on that long haul night. Long haul night. Mud on my boots, new scrape on the tailgate. Tailwind in my teeth and a debt I can't shake. Grit in my grin, running wild with my worries. Friday face fast when you're moving in a hurry. Said we wouldn't make it, said we ain't got the look, but you see these cowley's hands, no I never back up. Horizons burning, still hungry for the chase. My pride sitting shotgun with my dreams in the case. Pass it. Raised on red clay, ride with the moon so bright. Chasing my